Let's take a look at our seventh type here. We got square root of 4x minus 1 equals 3. These are specifically where you got a single radical, and it's a radical equation. Remember our steps. Get a radical by itself. Well, this radical is by itself. There's no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. Step 2. Raise both sides to a power equal to your index. This is a square root, so we're going to square both sides. Now over here, when you square a square root, they cancel each other out, and you're left with 4x minus 1. And 3 squared is 9. Take negative 1 over, becomes a positive 1, which gives us 10. Divide both sides by 4. And we get x is equal to 10 fourths, which reduces top and bottom both of us by 2, which gives us 5 halves. And if I put, I'll do the 10 fourths. If I put 10 fourths up here, the 4's cancel. 10 minus 1 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So it checks. And we have our second example. 2x plus 13 equals x plus 5. Well, get a radical by itself. This radical is by itself. There's no numbers in front of it, no numbers after it. Step 2, raise both sides to a power equal to the index. So we're going to square both sides. And that gives us 2x plus 13. Now over here, we have to take the x plus 5 and multiply it times itself. X plus 5 times x plus 5. Because we have a plus in here. You can't just square the x and square the 5. Well, when I do that, x times x is x squared, x times 5 is 5x, 5 times x is 5x, 5 times 5 is 25. Combine together like terms at any step. 5x plus 5x is 10x plus 25. Now we're down to step 3. It says if more radicals, back to step number 1, but we don't have any more radicals. So we go to step 4, solve for x. So I'm going to take these 2x plus 13 to the right side because we have an x squared. Take 2x over, becomes a negative 2x. Take 13 over, becomes a negative 13. 10x minus 2x gives us 8x. 25 minus 13 gives us 12. And this factor is using the PST method. X plus 2 times x plus 6. Zero factor property. You get 0 on one side and you factor the other side. You can set each factor equal to 0. So we'll set x plus 2 equal to 0 and x plus 6 equal to 0. And we get x equals negative 2 and x is equal to negative 6. Now if I put negative 2 up here, that would give me a 3 on this side. Negative 2 here would give me a negative 4 plus 13 is 9. Square root of 9 is 3. So it checks. Negative 6. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. Plus 13 is 1. Square root of 1 is 1. If I put negative 6 here, negative 6 plus 5 is a negative 1. 1 equals negative 1? No, that one doesn't check. So x equals negative 2 is our only answer there.